up, man? What's up?
Not too much. So you have this sweet machine behind you.
Yeah, it's my 2012 Boss 302.
Oh, yeah, shit. How's it going?
What's up, man?
Wait. Well, anyways, after we'll try this again. Yeah, you told me that you didn't have like a shop build this for you.
No, so I did most of the work at my garage. I got a little garage in my apartment, and then I did some of the work in my buddy's shop, Alex Grant at Grant Performance. He was nice enough to let me borrow some shop space, and yeah, I mean, just a lot of research and, you know, making sure take my steps to make sure everything was right, and it's all lined out so far.
Wow. Yeah, I mean, like I said to you earlier, it's one thing, you know, doing research, but you put it out, you put it down too.
Yeah,
you did a couple sevens that I saw personally.
Yeah. I mean, you know, getting the car to put it down also goes back to research. You know, learning how suspension works, and I'm not gonna say I did everything myself, especially as far as learning about the suspension. Dion Forbes and Mitchell Page, those two guys did a really big job on helping me to, you know, understand how stuff works, and you know, giving me pointers and different shot settings to try stuff like that. So I mean, it's, you know, a combination of having good friends and research. You know, it'll go a long way. But you know, you also, I mean, the biggest thing though is definitely research, making sure you kind of understand, and, you know, able to kind of make changes and stuff when you need to. So yeah.
Oh yeah, man, that's about it. You already told me it was done. I just wanted to hear you tell me just quick.
Yeah.
I think that's awesome. It gives people hope. You know, they see a 7-second car. It seems completely out of their reach.
Yeah. I mean, yeah. With this platform, you know, the Coyote platform is pretty fast, as everybody knows.
Yeah.
I mean, even sevens. Well, I say it, but even sevens nowadays, to me, in my head, because I see all these fast Coyotes out there, it's not even nothing too crazy. But yeah, I mean, it's a combination of having the right parts, people tuning the car. Rick at Big 3 Racing, Rick Turney.
Big 3?
Yeah.
In Ohio?
Yep. Right out in Ohio. He does all the work with the Holly system on it.
Okay.
And like I said, between him and the other guys that helped me with the suspension, and then just all the other friends that helped me along the way.
Suspension, that's a big one too.
Yeah, suspension. I mean, it just cut its best 60 wheel, which is a 117. So
this weekend?
Yeah, that last pass, it cut a 117 or 115 or something like that.
Okay.
Don't look any, you know, really violent or nothing like that, but that just, you know, having a right setup, you know, not just looking at, you know, big turbos or a built motor or whatever. You kind of got to look at the whole, you know, whole situation and making sure everything is, you know, working together with each other, and you know, it'll work out as long as you do that.
Oh yeah. Well, thanks for your time.
No problem, man.
And
no problem.
Good luck, and I hope to catch you back out again sometime.
I'm sure you will. I plan on doing a lot of racing this season, so
nice.
you're going to see me out there.
Cool, man. Thank you.
All right, no problem, man.